Tucked behind the secondary gate in the Vistas, this property backs to nearby mountains, red rock ridges, and nothing else but open sky.
Settings like this demand an interior just as special. Finishes updated to modern standards. An open floor plan that invites connection. Where the ceilings are vaulted in all the right places, the kitchen island could have its own address. And the only thing between you and nature is a little bit of glass. Where the lap pool takes full advantage of the lot size and the spa is truly infinite. And when it's time to call it a night, the mountains still feel close enough to touch. The guard-gated community of Red Rock Country Club features 2 challenging Arnold Palmer-designed golf courses, the private mountain course and the public arroyo course. Choose from a variety of membership tiers to suit your lifestyle needs, whether that means dining at the clubhouse, playing tennis or pickleball, using the fitness center and pool, enjoying full golf privileges, or all of the above. Less than a mile away, discover incredible shopping and dining at downtown Summerlin, home of City National Arena, the Las Vegas ballpark, and a new Whole Foods market. Or take a quick drive to Red Rock Canyon for a scenic hike.
When you're ready to take a closer look, contact us to schedule your private tour.